What's up guys, welcome to your 48th Android tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to eat some bread for the most part. So in the last tutorial again we basically set up this intent. This intent's carrying this basket, and within that basket it has a piece of bread, which is our string reference, and again that piece of bread is going to be called key. So if I'm like, hey, can I have that key? And you're like, what? And if you hand me a piece of bread, you know what I'm talking about. So basically we've set up everything we need to within this data class for sending data, and then we're going to open up our open class, and what we're going to do is go in within our onCreate method, and we could create a method like get data or something and then set it up within the brackets, but I'm just going to do it within our onCreate method because I don't want to confuse you guys too much. But make sure you guys are doing this before, or after you initialized all your variables, or if you had all your variables within your onCreate method, do it below those as well. So what we're going to do is basically create a new bundle, and this bundle is going to be called got_basket. So let's say bundle, and then we have to import bundle. We're going to say got_basket first. And then you guys will have to import the bundle. I was kind of messing around with this just now as my video is rendering from the last tutorial. And how we're going to set up this bundle is basically the previous tutorial, gave us some context from the last class, and we're going to reference that. We're going to reference the intent. So what we're going to do is we're going to say get intent, and this is a method, so parentheses. And basically that's going to get the intent that was passed into the class. We're going to hit dot, and we're going to say get extras because we added extras to the intent in the last tutorial, and now we're getting those extras. So just click that, and that's what our bundle is going to be equal to. Basically it's going to get that basket for the most part. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say we're going to set up a string and we're going to set this string up above our class so it can be referenced in multiple methods. So we're going to say string, and we're going to say got bread for the most part. There we go. And then now we need to set up this got bread basically to the bread from the last class. So we're going to say basically refer to this bundle that we just set up, which is going to get the extras from that intent that's being passed in. So we're going to say got basket dot, and then you can say get string because this is a string object, so we're looking for a string. And as you can see, it takes a key within its parameters, and so we're just going to click that. And if you guys remember, we cleverly labeled our key in the last tutorial key. So basically that's the file name that we set up for our bread variable or bread string from the last class. So basically it's going to set this got bread variable equal to our bread variable from the last class. So hopefully you guys kind of get that concept. And then all we're going to do is set up our text view, which is basically our question text view, to this string that we just got. So here you go. This is why we had to do it below our initialize, because otherwise it won't have the reference to that text view. So we're going to set this text view equal to which is question, and we're going to say dot set text, and then we're going to label this as got bread. So now we can pass a question along through our application. I'm just going to kind of get out of here and then run it. And as it's running, I'll just talk over this again. Basically our got basket is getting the bundle or getting the extras from the intent that's being passed into this class, and then our got bread is looking through that got basket. So hey man, I'm hungry, I need some bread. And they're going to be like, hey, bread is called key. So if I'm like, hey, I can I have a bite of that key, and you guys hand me some bread, I know you've been watching these tutorials, because otherwise it won't make much sense. But basically this is the reference called key, and that's going to be basically our bread string. And then we're going to set up again this text view to our string variable that we just got from that intent. So let's check out, make sure it works. Again, you guys have to define this open class within the manifest as well. Then we're going to hit data, and we're going to say Jessica Alba is ... and then we're going to say start activity, we're going to get an error. Of course, Jessica Alba would crash my application here. Let's see what's up real quick. If I can't find it, I'll edit the video. For the most part, it looks like this open class is having the activity or the problem here. And oh, I forgot to set up the radio button, basically the bridge from XML. So I'm going to set that up real quickly within the initialize method, and just kind of have to refer that. Pretty important. Radio group. Then we're going to find that by ID. So if you guys ever get discouraged and you like mess up and like something's not working properly, everyone does it. Don't worry about it. So hopefully you guys are kind of understand this data thing a little bit better than before, and we'll kind of, you know, hopefully make sure that works. Let's change that splash to like 1 second so I don't have to listen to that again. Alright, hopefully everything works now. But alright, that's better. Data, and then we're going to say Jessica Alba is, and then start activity. Perfect. As you can see, there's our text, Jessica Alba is. So that's pretty much this tutorial. Next tutorial we'll kind of set up these radio buttons, and probably that's about it. So I'll catch you guys then, and have a good one.